In this video, we will show you how to export your ebook as an Android or iOS app. To export your ebook as a mobile app, you will first need to enter your app information in this section here. To know more details on how to do that, check the video titled Exporting the eBook as a Mobile App. To export your ebook as an Android app, click Enable here. Once you do, the required information for Android apps will appear for you to fill in. To export your app with your branding and full customization features, you must first purchase mobile app credits. You can purchase mobile credits at any time from the pricing page. Note that you can export your app without buying credits, but it will be watermarked with the Kotobee logo, as you can see here. This option is available for users with free or paid licenses. If you've already purchased some mobile credits, you will notice that the required mobile credits in the lower bar here will be calculated for you. If you're exporting only one app, then it will show you here that one credit will be used once the compilation is successful. Now, let's go ahead and fill in the information needed to export our app. First, you'll need to add an app icon to your Android app that will appear in the app menu. To do so, click this button here to upload a PNG icon image. In order to keep your Android app protected, you'll need to add a digital certificate for it called a key store file. It contains the private key used to sign your app, and it's used to protect your app from being tampered with or signed by someone else. If you already have your own key store file, you can upload it from this button here. Otherwise, you can click on this button here to generate a random key store file and autofill the rest of the fields with the appropriate alias and password. Just make sure that you have Java JDK installed in order to do that. If you're uploading your own key store file, then you'll need to provide the rest of its information, such as the key store alias here. A key store alias is a unique label that you choose, which will act as an identifier for your key store. When creating your key store file, if you added a key store password and a private key password, then you should go ahead and enter both passwords in these two boxes here. And finally, you can enter your Android version code here. Make sure that you enter an integer, as decimals are strictly forbidden and will result in an error. And that's it. Click on the Generate Apps button here to start building your app. The app will start compiling, and you will be sent an email notification with the download link for the app when it's ready. The same download link will also be available in the Apps section inside the software. To track the app's status, go to the Manage screen from the header bar here. Then, click on Apps in the left menu. If you've just started the export process, the status will be building. After a short while, the status will change to either complete if the compilation process is successful, or rejected if an error occurs during compilation. Every time the status changes, you will receive an email notification. As soon as you see the status completed, you're now ready to publish your app to the Play Store. To know a step-by-step guide on how to publish your app, check the support page titled Export an Android App to the Google Play Store. To export your ebook as an iOS app, click Enable here to fill in the required information for iOS apps. Similar to the Android section, you can include an icon for your mobile app. To do this, click on the button here to upload the icon image. Now, there are 3 things required to export your iOS mobile app: a certificate file that has a .p12 extension, along with a password that is used to protect the certificate. This certificate is issued by Apple and is used to sign your app. The second is an App ID, which is a unique identifier for your app and is used to represent your app on the App Store. And finally, a provisioning profile, which you'll need an App ID to create. To get all those, you need to first create an Apple developer account. You can do so from this link here. And now you're all set. All you have to do is click on the Generate Apps button here to start building your app. As soon as you receive an email notification that your app is ready, you'll be able to publish it to Apple's App Store. For a step-by-step guide on how to publish your app, check the support page titled Export an iOS App to the App Store. And that's it. In the next video, we'll show you how to set up and view the eBooks analytics. Stay tuned!